Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to cover CAMWorks configurations. Inside the software, the first thing we need to do is make sure that configurations is turned on. I'm going to go to my CAMWorks options, and on the first page, General, I'm going to make sure that I select Use CAMWorks Configurations. Now that the configurations are on, I have a configuration line item in my tree, and I can hit the plus to expand it, and I can see that I have a configuration based on the machine and the programming that I have already completed. I can copy this configuration and activate it, and I can see that everything remains the same. I could also maybe come in and change my machine out. Let's say we're going to go to this Doosan. And now we could see the name of the configuration is based on the machine that I am using. This is a very easy way to manage different programming for different machines on the same part. Another way we can leverage our CAM configurations is for different versions of the part. Let's go back to our first configuration. And now let's go over to our configuration manager. I have my default, and then I have a lighter version. I'm going to activate the lighter version of my SolidWorks model. Now that I have this lighter version active, I'm going to go back to CAMWorks, and I'm going to receive this message. It's asking me if I want to make a new configuration or if I want to copy and show that new configuration. So let's go ahead and copy and show. And immediately it's going to recognize that there's changes in the model based on the old programming that I had. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going through and running feature recognition on the new features that have been added for the later version. Now that this is complete, we can see that all of these new pockets have been recognized. We can also go back and forth by double-clicking on our CAM configurations. It will recognize that it needs to change the SolidWorks configuration, and it will update accordingly. These are just some of the ways you could take advantage of CAMWorks configurations. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.